Hello friends, I hope you are looking for a best drone camera. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss drone camera which are best sold and achieved top rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. U49 FPV Camera Drone. The U49 FPV Camera Drone boasts altitude hold and a first-person view (FPV) screen with camera live video, so you can see exactly what the HD camera of your drone sees in real time. It also comes with an extra battery to help you fly for even longer before having to charge, and an outstanding 720p camera for clear HD pictures and live video. Add to that its impressively long flight time of 25 minutes with the extra battery, and you're looking at a great drone for beginners or intermediate pilots, for that matter, at an inexpensive price. About this item. VR-ready FPV drone with camera. Experience first-person view with this VR-compatible drone with camera. Easily sync a VR headset, not included, to the drone remote control and see what your VR drone sees in the sky. Easy beginner drone for adults. RTF drone features beginner-friendly features like 1-key launch land, altitude hold to hover at a set height, 6-axis gyro for stable flights, headless mode for no-fuss drone orientation, and 1-button 360 degrees flips and stunts. Fly with your phone. Download the Flying C app and fly this remote-controlled drone with your phone. Fly in gravity mode, capture moments from the sky with the 120 degrees wide-angle 720p HD drone camera, and watch real-time video footage straight to your mobile phone screen. Key features. Camera resolution, 720p HD. Flight time, 12 to 15 minutes, per battery. Notable attributes, altitude hold, headless mode, full trim, and real-time Wi-Fi FPV. Number 2. Holystone HS272.7K Drone. The Holystone 2.7K GPS drone proves that you do not have to drop hundreds of dollars for a great starter drone. The 2.7K camera system features 5G image transmission, ensuring crisp pictures every time. The included follow me, tap flight, and point of interest modes allow you to capture cinematic footage or even capture a selfie. Enjoy up to 18 minutes of flight time with the intelligent flight battery system. The rugged design of the HS270 and its altitude positioning system ensures a stable and safe flight experience. The ease of operation and the number of robust features make this the perfect drone for beginner drone pilots. About this item. 2.7K camera and 5G image transmission. 2.7K HD camera catches incredible clarity in the photos. 5G transmission ensures beautiful scenes are sent back to the phone, frequent and clear. 90 degrees adjustable angle enables broader views. You may also share your laughter on social media from the Holystone app page directly and easily. Intelligent flight, equipped with GPS positioning, the drone can automatically follow the pilots. When it is losing signal or power, or you press one key return, it will fly back to takeoff point automatically. Besides, you will have an easy start with functions like altitude hold, headless mode. Get worry-free flight and have better shots. Key features, camera resolution, 2.7K flight time, 18 minutes. Notable attributes, 5G image transmission, GPS positioning system, foldable arms, intelligent flight modes. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2. DJI has done it again. The drone manufacturing juggernaut just released the Mavic Air 2. It is the first consumer drone to be equipped with AirSense, which is essentially ADS-B in tech that enables the drone to pick up on nearby aircraft. DJI has done an incredible job packing this new drone with a large array of features. The popular foldable design from the Mavic series has carried on in the new Mavic Air 2, making it one of the highest tech portable drones on the market. With a 34-minute flight time, 48-megapixel camera, and an 8K hyperlapse feature, it will be difficult to find a comparable aircraft in this size and price range. The Mavic Air 2 is going to be the drone to beat for the serious hobbyist and content creators, and even for new professional pilots looking to get into the industry with an affordable drone. Key features. Still image resolution, 48 megapixels. Video resolution, 4K at 60 FPS. Max flight time, 34 minutes. Max speed, 42 miles per hour, 67 kph, in sport mode. Notable attributes, DJI geofencing, 8K hyperlapse, return to home, OcuSync 2.0, and OPPA's 3.0 obstacle avoidance. Number 4. DJI FPV Drone. The DJI FPV Drone has created an entry point for FPV flying. It has also shaken up the more traditional offerings from DJI by allowing those who have never flown FPV before to dive right in without needing to build a custom drone or learn specialized piloting skills. Its hybrid design makes it great for both cinematic FPV flying or racing. With a 4K super wide camera and rocksteady stabilization, action-packed footage has never looked so good. The optional motion controller redefines the flying experience by giving the pilot real-time control and feedback within a simple hand movement. The new audience mode allows others with FPV goggles to watch your flight in real time. Other flight modes include N mode for new users, M mode for manual FPV racing, S mode for capturing cinematic FPV footage. New to FPV flying? Not to worry, with emergency brake and hover, you can stop on a dime and hover at any moment. Other safety features include an auxiliary bottom light, smart and low battery return to home, forward and backward obstacle sensors. Key features: camera resolution, 4K at 60 FPS, max flight time, 20 minutes, max speed, 86 miles per hour, 140 kph, in M mode. Notable attributes: OcuSync 3.0 allows for 6.2-mile transmission range, color-changing front LEDs, 150 degrees FOV, auxiliary bottom light, obstacle sensing, DJI AirSense. Number 5. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. The Mavic 2 Zoom introduces brand new zooming capabilities. The 24mm 48mm zoom lens offers 2x optical zoom and 2x digital zoom, giving photographers and filmmakers more flexibility when it comes to framing their shots. It also offers an upgraded quickshot mode with the fun and creative drone, circle, helix, rocket, boomerang, and asteroid and dolly zoom flight modes. Both the Mavic 2 Pro and the Zoom have advanced tracking capabilities, but the Zoom takes it up a level. With hybrid autofocus, the Zoom improves autofocus speed by up to 40% with better accuracy. If image quality is your priority, then you might opt for the Mavic 2 Pro over the Zoom. The 2 Pro is equipped with a 1CMOS, 20-megapixel camera co-engineered in partnership with Hasselblad, the world's leading manufacturer of medium-format cameras and lenses. The Zoom's camera system is still professional grade, however, with a 0.3 CMOS, 12-megapixel sensor. Key features: still image resolution, 12 megapixels. Video resolution, 4x lossless Zoom FHD video. Max flight time, 31 minutes. Max speed, 45 miles per hour, 72 kph, in sport mode. Notable attributes: foldable portable, intelligent flight modes, obstacle sensing, 2x optical zoom, 2x digital zoom. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box for products link.